The Slick Products electric pressure washer is the ultimate solution for your cleaning needs. Powered by a robust 13-amp motor, this powerhouse generates a maximum of 2,050 PSI rated pressure and a 1.1 GPM, ensuring efficient and effective cleaning every time. Equipped with an onboard basic 1-liter foam cannon or adaptable to a premium Slick Products foam cannon, this pressure washer is designed to tackle even the most stubborn stains with ease. The foam cannon is the perfect accessory for achieving a deep and thorough clean. With 3 quick connect nozzles, you can effortlessly switch between different cleaning projects, whether it's delicate surfaces or tough grime. But that's not all. The Slick Products electric pressure washer comes packed with even more superior features, including a quick connect lance, a 35-foot GFCI-protected power cord, and a 20-foot long high-pressure hose. The total stop system automatically shuts off the pump and power when the trigger is not engaged, saving energy and prolonging the pump's life. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, with a net weight of 17 pounds, this pressure washer is designed for convenience and performance. Plus, with a 1-year warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Experience the power and versatility of the Slick Products electric pressure washer and take your cleaning routine to the next level. Get yours today at slickproductsusa.com.